to do charity, we need to have money. By that I mean, if you want to give something to others, you should have it first. Because you might have seen this, guys, all the poor people who comes asking money to you, you will not be able to give money to each and every one of them. We ignore few of them by saying them, no, I don't have money. And this is important, that to do charity also we need to have money. We need to build ourselves, we need to grow ourselves in terms of knowledge, in terms of money, in terms of skills. Only then you can give it to others with your whole heart, with the pure soul. And to do charity, we need to have money, means that you need to grow yourself first. You need to invest on yourself. And when you love yourself, only then you can love others. When you have that whole knowledge with you, only then you can share that knowledge to others. And when you have lump sum amount of money, only then you can give it to others. And this takes us to the thing that we need to be selfish on our self growth. Yeah, for certain period it's really very important that you need to be selfish for your own growth, in terms of getting that knowledge, in terms of making more money, in finding out the way how you make some more money. And after certain period, when you have that lump sum amount of money, and when you have that knowledge and you are in the process of learning more, only then you can give it to others. And when you have come at the period that you have more knowledge, you have more money, you can give that money to all the poor people with zero expectation. You can share your knowledge to each and everyone without expecting anything. So to give to someone else, we need to have it first. We need to grow ourselves. And yes, it is important that you be selfish for a period where you involve and invest everything on yourself. And only when you grow, only when you have that knowledge, and only when you have all the money, then you can share it to anyone, and you can give it to anyone with no expectation, with zero expectation. So this phrase is really very important, and I feel that yes, to do charity we need to have money first. We need to have everything with us first. Only then you can give it to others. And when you have everything with you, and when you love yourself, and when you have gained all the knowledge, and when you have found the route to make money, then you can give it to all other people, to everyone out there, with pure heart, with pure soul. So guys, the takeaway from this video is that you need to invest first on yourself, first grow yourself, first get bigger, and find the route that you make more money, and find the route where you can get more knowledge. And guys, if you have reached the level where you can give to everyone out there with zero expectation, by giving I mean sharing knowledge, sharing that money, then you have reached the life where it's really worth. And guys, whenever you don't have anything, whenever you have less amount, it's not that you need to give to everyone. It's because it's difficult for yourself and for the other person also. So first make sure that you build yourself, first you grow yourself, first you invest on yourself, only then you can do it for others. Right? So hope you loved this video, and if you like, please hit a like, please comment, please subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.